We rely heavily on artificial intelligence as we navigate the web, using it to rapidly clarify dense concepts and answer complex questions. But while the models powering these assistants process vast amounts of data in milliseconds, the way we actually interact with them remains manual. This creates a subtle drag on productivity, known as prompt fatigue. It happens when you find yourself typing the exact same set of instructions over and over again as you move between different websites. Efficiency requires an assistant's logic to travel with you, maintaining context as your browsing journey evolves. Take a standard everyday task. You're looking at a recipe online and need to adapt it for a dietary restriction. You open your AI assistant and type, "What are the ingredient substitutions to make this vegan?" The assistant performs perfectly, identifying the dairy and egg components and providing immediate plant-based alternatives. The friction occurs a moment later when you click over to a second, entirely different recipe. To get the same analysis on this new page, you have to write the prompt entirely from scratch. Repeating this loop website after website creates a bottleneck, turning a sophisticated tool into a mundane data entry chore. Gemini in Chrome resolves this bottleneck with a feature called Skills, a bridge connecting the assistant's intelligence directly to an automated workflow. When you write an effective prompt, it can be extracted directly from your chat history and saved. This block of logic is stored permanently in your browser. The next time you need it, simply type a / and the saved logic executes on the current page. This architecture shifts your role from repeatedly instructing an AI to deploying prepackaged logic on command. This automation scales up for complex tasks, such as running a side-by-side spec comparison across multiple product pages. Doing this manually means toggling back and forth, extracting individual data points from each tab one by one. A deployed skill bypasses this entirely by running a single prompt across several selected tabs at the same time. You can apply this same parallel processing to productivity tasks, triggering a skill to scan through massive, text-heavy documents and pull out only the specific variables you require. The execution happens instantaneously, drawing disparate threads of web data into a single synthesized view. These multi-threaded capabilities turn the browser into an active analytical tool. Automation at this scale carries a specific risk: the danger of an AI system executing unintended or irreversible actions on your behalf. To mitigate this, Skills utilize Chrome's layered protections, which include continuous testing through automated red teaming protocols. Any skill attempting an external action, like adding an event to your calendar or sending an email, triggers a mandatory safeguard, requiring your explicit confirmation before proceeding. These intentional friction points ensure you retain ultimate authority over the output. You do not have to build every command from scratch. Gemini in Chrome includes a native, pre-built library of skills. This repository contains ready-to-use workflows designed for common tasks, like calculating protein macros for health tracking. You can pull any of these templates into your personal toolkit and edit the underlying text prompt to fit your specific workflow. This customization allows anyone to assemble bespoke software tools without writing code. Browsing is shifting away from manual repetition towards instant one-click execution. Your customized toolkit of saved logic stays synchronized, available on any signed-in Chrome desktop device. To view and organize this toolkit, simply type a / in the Gemini panel and click the compass icon. By consolidating complex logic into one-click tools, Gemini in Chrome removes the repetitive friction between your intent and the information you need.